Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know some of you have been reaching out and all those things. So basically, I explained earlier to for some of you that don't know that I've been caught up with like my master's program and all, which I've just completed, and that's basically what has taken most of my time and everything. But I mean, not taking too much of that. Basically, this video is going to be about TypeScript, and I'll try as much as possible to make it easy. I'm going to assume that you have a prior knowledge of JavaScript, and if you don't, you can go back to like one of my old videos to check out and understand JavaScript. But basically, just not to get it twisted, TypeScript is basically the same as JavaScript, only that you have to state the type of data that it is. So the same thing as your variable declarations, your data types and everything, but you always have to like state the type of data when declaring your variables. So that's just basically what it is. And you know me very much, like very well, and I'm going to try to explain it to you as easy as I can for you to understand. And like I said, it's just about stating data types. And the reason is that this helps you to avoid errors in the future, and it helps you to like build scalable projects. So that's basically what it's about. Just stay tuned, and in the next video, I'm going to start like with the very first thing, which is how to declare your variables, just like in JavaScript, but then in TypeScript, how to explicitly state the type of data. So that's what it's about. Thank you.